Hello, and welcome back to English from the Ground Up. My name is Kenzo, and today I'm starting a new Minecraft series. In this series, we'll learn some English while playing Minecraft hardcore. Let's do it. Let's create a new world. I'm going to name this world Hard World. And let's turn hardcore on. So, normally in Minecraft, when you die, you can respawn over and over again. But in hardcore, when you die, it's done. You can't respawn. Nope. Alright, let's create hard world. Create. Loading, loading, loading. Here we are! We spawned in a jungle. I see a parrot. I can see a green parrot flying. I'm in a jungle. There's some bamboo over there. Wow, a cow. Okay. First, I'm going to collect some wood. So let's chop down some trees. All right, let's collect some wood, some jungle wood. All right, I have 4 logs. Let's turn these logs into planks. Now I have 16 wood planks. Let's build a crafting table. Crafting table? Melons! There are some melons here. I'm going to collect some melons. Melons will be a good source of food. Melons! No! Die! 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 It's a baby zombie! With a leather helmet. Die, 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 die. How many times do I have to punch him? Wow, I need a sword. I really need a sword. Let's place the crafting table. Place. And with the crafting table, let's build some sticks. And now let's build a wooden pickaxe. And with this wooden pickaxe, let's collect some stone. I'm going to dig underground right here. Dig. I only have 3 hearts. I need to eat. Okay, now my hunger is full, so I'll begin healing. Let's collect some stone using our wooden pickaxe. I hear another zombie. Coal! I found some coal. Now I can build torches. Iron! Wow! I already found some coal and some iron. Great. Great, great, great. I still hear a zombie. It sounds close. My wooden pickaxe is almost broken, so I'm going to stop using it. You see, this is my very first pickaxe in this world, so I'm going to save this pickaxe. I'm going to stop using it. Now I'm going to go back up and build a stone pickaxe. Now that we have cobblestone, we can upgrade to stone tools. Let's build a stone pickaxe, a stone sword, and a stone axe. Let's build 2 stone swords. There we go. And let's build some torches. There we go, 16 torches. With my sword, I'm going to kill this cow. Sorry, cow. I need the food. This pig as well. Die, die. Okay. Oh, cocoa beans. Let's collect these cocoa beans. With these cocoa beans, I can make cookies. With the stone pickaxe, I'm going to mine all of this coal and this iron. Here we go. Coal. All right. That's all the coal. Now I have 19 coal. Now let's collect this iron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 iron. Oh, look at this. There's a cave down there. I'm going to place a torch. Torch. Let's go back up. I'm going to build a furnace using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cobblestone. I'm going to build a furnace. Let's break the crafting table. All right. I'm going to place a torch right here. And for now, I'll turn this into my little home. Okay, there we go. Let's get the crafting table and the furnace. And let's place them in this corner. Crafting table, furnace. Now, let's put the coal in the furnace to use as fuel. And let's smelt this iron. There we go. Okay, I'm going to look for some animals to kill. Uh-oh, the sun's going down. Oh, I see a creeper. I hear a sheep. Let's kill this sheep. Die, die. Uh-oh, skeleton. Okay, let's go back underground. Uh-oh, another skeleton. Where's my home? There it is. Oh, no, no, no. Run, 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 run. Cobblestone. There we go. We're safe. I can hear the skeleton. Let's see. The iron's done. Let's begin cooking some beef. Okay. I ate the steak. And now I'll begin to heal. Let's go down there and explore the cave. Ooh. There's some coal. Let's mine this coal. Okay, more coal. Ooh, it's very dark over there. Torch. More coal. Okay, let's mine this coal. Okay, wow, that was a lot of coal. Now I have 31 coal. Let's continue exploring. A zombie. Whoa, a bunch of zombies. Die, die. Run, run, run. Run. Die, skeleton, die, die, die. Whoa, uh-oh. Run, 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 run. I'm running away. I'm running away. I'm going to eat this steak. Oh, I killed the skeleton. Let's fight the zombie. Die, die, die. Torch. Uh-oh, baby zombie, baby zombie. Die, die. Baby zombie with a sword. Die. Oh, oh. Okay, I really need some armor. Let's place a torch. Okay, let's eat some of this cooked mutton. There we go. Now I'll start healing. What was that sound? Whoa. With 5 iron, I'm going to build a helmet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I built an iron helmet, and let's put it on. There we go. Now I have 1 armor. I'm going to continue exploring now that I've healed. Let's see. Torch. Torch. More iron! Awesome. Let's collect this iron. Okay. Whoa, water? I'm going to place a wood plank right here to stop the water. And let's collect some of this copper. 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 It's been a long time since I've played Minecraft, and there's a lot more that you can build with copper now. Uh-oh. I'm out of torches. Let's build more. I have 8 more torches. More iron. Wow. I'm finding a lot of iron. All right. My pickaxe broke, and now I have 19 iron. Awesome. Okay, let's go back up to the surface. Okay, back up, up, up. Up, up, up. It's daytime. It's day. I need to eat. Let's eat this cooked mutton. I'm going to build a little tower with this cobblestone. And on top I'll place a torch. Torch. That way I can find my home. And I'm going to end this first episode right here. If you liked this video, like and subscribe. And if you would like to practice speaking English with me directly, you could book a call by clicking up here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.